What is up? Just a little update on the car. I know it's been a while. I don't post a lot of videos of me building this car, so I just want y'all to know that this is a 67 fastback. It's a GT car, 289, not a 390. Motor's been built, 289. Engine bay is all done and clean. Everything is brand new on this car. All new panels except for the roof skin, pretty much. So everything's rust free, super nice. New doors, new fenders, new hood, new quarters, all the trunk, everything is new on the car. Using the original seat frames. I'm going to get new cushions, new interior, put it on there, door panels. The interior will be 100% when I get that done. So that'll be great. That dash pad is nice, man, to be that old. I did the cowl. It's a disc brake car. That's the original Magnum 500s that came on the car, I guess. That's what I got with it when I bought it. So, but yeah, it's getting there, man. This is my 67 coupe. Built motor. I've had it for about 12 years. Nice car. Drives good. But yeah, it's getting there, man. Just got the hood all where it shuts and everything lines up. But yeah, just a progress video. I don't post a lot where I work on it. You know, I do as what I want to do, I guess. But yeah, if you like it, watch the video, man. 67 fastback. All I got to do now is get my under dash wiring and then under hood wiring. Transmission, it's right there. Original C4. And then I got a new torque converter right there that goes with it. Drive shafts in the corner, already built. Yeah, drivetrain to begun, man. So enjoy. If you like the video, subscribe. Hit a like. I don't post a lot of videos, so you know, at least I know somebody's watching, so enjoy. Thanks a lot. Peace out.